bod o fi arfer bod yn y Boy Scouts.
It makes so much sense.
Yeah.
And you have what a Girl Guides are brownies.
Yeah, I left that life. It wasn't for me.
Yeah, you were like, I want to be down with the boys, the
With
dirt.
the boys. Yeah, 100%.
Oh my god, vividly fi'n cofio induction fi brownies. Pam rhaid i chi coginio cacen
O'n
i'r
i mewn
teulu
brownie?
arall. Ti'n cofio hwnna?
Na.
Oh my god, so yr initiation session tro cyntaf chi'n mynd i brownies.
Initiation.
Yeah. Hazing.
Beer bomb.
Yeah, brown owl, like throwing things at you. Na. Oedden ni... Oedden ni gorfod coginio cacen i teulu arall. So oedd teulu arall yn dod, chi'n coginio cacen iddyn nhw. My mum made them a really nice chocolate cake. A wedyn chi angen fel dangos rhyw fath o fel skill neu rhywbeth. I think I played the piano neu rhywbeth. And then that was it, and then you're in.
Okay, fi absolutely ddim yn cofio dim o hwnna.
Really?
Fi jyst yn cofio ti'n gorfod wneud fel addewid gyda bysedd ti lan.
Yeah.
A ti'n gwybod ble nes i wneud un?
Brownie Promise.
I Brownie Promise. Gyntaf, apparently fi oedd un o'r rhai cyntaf fi wneud yn Gymraeg. Da iawn fi.
Oh my god, da iawn.
Pa gofyn i fi ddweud e. Ond hefyd, nes i wneud e, canolfan na. Stadiwm y Millennium, pan oedd e jyst i agor.
What the fuck?
I wish oedd Joseph Scouts fi dal yn ffit sioch, so nhw'n really handy.
Oedd nhw fel Dickies vibe.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah. Mae nhw'n vibe.
Actually, there's zero chance bod Scout uniform fi dal yn ffit fi. Ond, how lesbian chic?
I fod yn dig.
Not the chief.
Can I just say, Buttercup Yellow is in. Brownies, Buttercup Yellow jumper. Ti'n cofio? Oedd e fel...
Ydw.
Yeah,
Ydw.
that would be so
Ydw.
in nawr.
Okay.
Add brown trousers, neutral shades for spring.